Well, now let's move forward. Just a day before the all-sensitive and much anticipated Ayodhya verdict is to be out, Anurag Tripathi, a correspondent, spoke to Zafar Yab Gilani, counsel for Sunni Waqf Board. Now, Gilani said the verdict will be respected, whatever it may be, and also spoke of the legal recourse after the verdict is announced.
We are prepared because we have been contesting the case throughout, and for the last 1.5 months, I have tried to propagate it among the Muslim community, especially also among the non-Muslims, that the verdict is not between two communities. Although dispute is between two communities, but verdict should be taken as neither defeat nor victory of any one community or any other community. But it should be taken in the spirit that it is going to be the victory of the rule of law. It is going to be the victory of the secular values of the constitution and the democracy of the country, where such matters are being adjudicated by the court of law. So therefore, a Muslim community has fully taken this.
So you've been involved with this case since quite a long time. What do you think are the main important and strong point from your side, which will definitely make your case stronger? What are the points on which you are basing that, what it might go your way?
You see, it would not be perhaps better and advisable to talk about the merits of the case today, because judgment is fixed for tomorrow. But broadly you can say that since our case is that in the mosque idols were placed in the night of 22nd upon 23rd December, and so many witnesses on the other side also have admitted this fact. So the evidence which we have produced about the existence of the mosque is quite strong, and I hope so that that evidence is legal and it will be taken note of, and the verdict may be to that extent at least in our favor.
Sir, just in case the verdict doesn't go in your favor, what will be your future course of action?
That we have already said that if the verdict is not up to our expectations and it is not in our favor, then the remedy of Supreme Court is open to us, and naturally we will not like to protest anyone, because it should not be even otherwise permissible in the law that you raise protests outside the court. So you have to make your grievance before the Supreme Court, which is the higher court, and where the appeal lies against the judgments of the High Court.